How to share a TikTok video in Facebook story. If you tap on the share option, you will find all of your socials where you can share this TikTok video. Now if you tap on the profile icon of Facebook, you have to wait for a while here. It will redirect you here and it will be posted as a post in your feed. But we want it as a story, so we will just tap on discard and again tap on the share icon, and instead of choosing on the Facebook icons, we will tap on save. And once the video is saved, we will tap on create story on our Facebook, and here we'll be able to find the TikTok video. Now we can write any caption that we want, simply like this, or you can also add some stickers according to your liking. Once you are done, just tap on the share option and wait for your video to be uploaded. And that's how you can easily share your TikTok video in your Facebook story. Wasn't it simple? Hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.